Buenos días, pioneros. Estamos en la primaria mejor de todo el mundo. And speaking of mundo, everybody say hi to Mundo. Mundo is very festive today with his Christmas lights. I love it. Okay, boys and girls, this is Friday, December 12th, and we have some announcement helpers that are going to help us.
Good morning, pioneers. Our names are Marcos, Raul, and Mason. We are students in 5th grade. Por favor, listen to the Por favor, la maestra que ve por unos momentos de silencio. Gracias por llamar a nosotros.
Okay, guys, we forgot one very important thing. This is Dr. Pablo Perez Elementary, the best school in. Yes, it is. And I am Mrs. Delgado, you are. I am very proud of you guys. And you know I love you guys so much too. All right, so we are going to get started with our parents. So, very important. I need everybody paying attention. I want y'all to pay close attention. This is the average from December 1st all the way to yesterday. So far, who is leading the pack? First grade. First grade, raise your hand, first grade. You guys so far are leading the pack. However, look at pre-K and kinder and third grade. So close, guys. Every day counts. Every day counts. Look at pre-K, kinder, first, and third. In these days from December 1st through yesterday, those grade levels have met the attendance goal of 97%. So excellent. Keep it up. We have second, fourth, and fifth. We can catch up, guys. I believe in you. I know you can. Let's all, as a grade level, try to reach at least 97%. Then we would have to do something really nice for you guys. So let's see how well we can do from now until next Friday, okay? All right, so those are our attendants. You can see the teachers. What teacher is in the lead, guys? Mrs. Gutierrez in first grade, 99 and 4100 so far. So the teacher with the best attendance also gets something in a little period of time. All right, guys, let's move on. We have congratulations to our spelling bee. Where is Miss Olake? Come on, Miss Olake. We have our spelling bee, and we do have our representative and our alternate. So I'm going to let Miss tell you a little bit about that, and then we'll recognize. All right, I put it on the spot.
Good morning, pioneers. We had 13 third through fifth graders participate in our spelling bee earlier this week. They've been studying for a few weeks now, and yes, if you participated, if you were one of those 13, can you please stand where you are, please? Guys, thank you guys. Now, it could have been to a pretty good competition. We went into 11 rounds of spelling. We went all the way into sixth grade words. And we ended with our alternate being Isabella Mulvane in fifth grade. Come on, Isabella. And our campus winner was Jessie Cantu in fifth grade. So Jessie will be moving on to compete in our district spelling bee in January. We'll have a long list of words to study. But he's going to represent Bettis and do an excellent job. He didn't miss any words in the whole spelling bee. So great job, guys. It's going to be
Thank you, Ryan. Let's give a round of applause to Isabella and Jesse as they make their way back to their class. And all of you that participated, great job. Those who were representatives from each class, so we're very, very happy. Thank you, guys. All right, we have a highlight. Lincoln Ibarra, where is Lincoln? So, Lincoln, let me ask you, want to tell us about it? Great job. So he was selected as MVP for his tournament last week. So way to go. Give him another round of applause as he takes his seat. And we also have Gianna. Where is Gianna? Here she comes. She was actually in the Nutcracker. So her classmates got to see her. Yes. Awesome. Let's give Gianna another round of applause as she takes her seat for the very round. The fine arts are so important, boys and girls. It is beautiful, and we have our own students that are participating. And yesterday, fourth grade went to the Nutcracker. Fourth grade race track, fourth grade. So I just want to say, and this is very important. So I got a call. I got a call from somebody at the Fine Arts Center in McAllen, and they just wanted me to know that we had the best dressed students at the performance yesterday, and we had very, very well behaved pioneers. They gave you a compliment on theater etiquette. They said you guys know how to attend a performance, how to sit and pay attention and be respectful and clap at the appropriate times. And I know that's all due to your awesome teachers. So round of applause to our fourth graders and their teachers, because that was very, very special. Thank you guys for representing Bettis Elementary the best that you can. All right, then we also have, where is our fifth grade Elevate soccer team? They are just getting started. Where's our fifth grade Elevate soccer team, the boys soccer team? Nobody on the starter team? Yeah, y'all can come on real quick, guys. They're all shy. I think they are getting ready to start their season, so we want to wish them luck as they start their season. If anybody want to talk about what is the most important right now as we start the season?
We play for the best favorite soccer team, and try our best at the game. It was really fun. We didn't win, but it was really fun and we tried our best.
They tried their best. Those are magic words. When you try your best, that's all we can ask, guys. Great job. And then I know Mr. Brew has a special message for us.
Good morning, Pioneers! Tomorrow, our chess team will attend their second team chess tournament. That's an all-in commitment. These students have been practicing and working hard. And we would like to wish them all good luck. If you are participating in the tournament on Saturday, stand up, our chess pioneers.
Look at all of our chess pioneers. I know you guys are going to represent well because they practice every single Tuesday and every single Friday. Very, very proud of you. They wake up super early on Saturday morning to go and do their best. Good luck, guys, and we hope for the best for you.
Say that goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. All right.
And then we have AR Century Club members.
La mamá de Alan está allí.
And have met the challenge this year, starting. Next we have way to go!
Y ahora es tiempo de nuestros cumpleaños. I can have a staff member come help as we organize our kids. And let's get Nico in here so he can get a high five.
Can you move over so that can you see from there?
Okay, Merrily Denaro. It is now Let's show respect for our cheer squad. Everybody on the bottom. Everybody attentive. They worked really, really hard, guys. Hats off to our sponsors for being there and working with them, preparing them for their performances. Shift to see your teacher. Everybody stay seated.